Oh, I really need gas in this thing. I've been on the blinking 1 bar for like 20-30 miles. First thing is first, we need to hit the gas station. I'm gonna be interested to see how much gas this thing takes. It's a 2-gallon tank. Down the hill. Was about to go get a free Chick-fil-A sandwich because the Canes won today, but freaking 5 minutes later realized it was Sunday and they're closed. Got my hopes all up for nothing. It is a little bit chilly today. I was thinking the sun poked out, it'd be all right, but oh, it's a little cold. $5 for premium. Yeah, she getting 87 today. It's been flashing 1 bar for probably like 20 miles, so we'll see how much gas it takes. I bet it takes like 1.6, 1.7. She is topped off. 1.7, $7. You need some gas?
Oh, the gallon?
Yeah. Alright, we Gucci. Trail? Yeah, we can go look for one. Let's go over in this neighborhood for a minute. Some little turns I can make, and then some I just cannot turn this thing. Need to get better doing that. That was a good little wheelie though. Woo! Trail? Eric was looking for a trail. Looks like we found him one. Oh yeah, it's actually kind of a nice little trail. I really do need to put the baffle back in this thing. It is too loud for a 125cc little slow bike. Damn, I wonder where this trail goes. Holy shit. Yo. What? It's definitely a walking trail, but I don't know.
I wouldn't make it.
Yeah. That's a nice little trail. Keeps going that way some too. Oh yeah, that's actually a sick picture. This thing.
I'd totally leave my business card here. What is that?
Yeah, I was looking at that. Whew. I don't know, I had no clue any of this stuff was back here. Whew. I don't even know how to get out of here. We'll figure it out though. How? Should we take that way and get out of here? I feel like we should get out of here. Oh my god, we cannot find a way out. Probably could have gotten out back there, but it was through someone's yard and a bunch of rocks. So I'm gonna go to the end of this trail. We went a little bit far on this thing. I think out here might be a way to get out. But yeah, I was about to go to a ride out today. It was a big ride out about 30 minutes away, but was a little hungover this morning. Plus, it was cold this morning and just wasn't feeling it. Damn, this is the Greenway. What have we got ourselves into? Finally made it out of there. I thought we were never getting out. There was like no exit over there. Started seeing people walking. At first I was like, damn, no one knows about this. Then we started seeing some people. I was like, oh, we should probably leave. Gotta get us some Mickey D's right quick. That car or girl or whatever it was getting hyped. That was funny. Alright, y'all. I'm peacing out. It's cold. Good little ride, but I'm done for the day.